Alright guys, good afternoon. And today, Monday, it is January 19th, 2026. And as of 1:32 p.m. So earlier we received alert early this morning. And actually I'm looking or searching where's the current price is. And I don't see any price here. And when I move up, the price is here. So actually break our 4-hour SNR. So from last night analysis that we are expecting that the price will just break from this level and then pull back from our 15 FVG here. So when the market open, the price move and open from this level from 4649. So it's a big gap from that price. So if we see from the previous, from this one up to this, so it's almost 533 pips jump. So yeah. So as of now, we are still waiting for the price to pull back because mostly the price will return to those gap or filled, not yet filled space from that price. So right now I don't want to participate right now because the price is still in the ranging movement. So that's why maybe we need to observe first the current price. So what we can do is just wait. So maybe we can add an alert to this level. So let's see if the price will still continue to break that level from that level or from this level. Let's see the 15-minute here. So either from that level and this level. So let's see if the price will break downwards or upward. But if we can see the 4-hour, yeah, it still look bullish. But for 1 hour, it's possible for retracement. But we need to wait because we don't have any confirmation yet. So we need to patiently wait for the movement of the price. And still, it's still Monday, and the US players still not yet online. So many of possible price movement will be this evening. So we have to observe first before we enter at any trade. All right. So we need to protect our capital. All right, guys. We'll update you later or tomorrow if we have any good movement from the market. All right. Thanks. Bye.